Hi, today we are presenting a project on credit score clustering using neural network. In an era where financial decisions are increasingly data driven, understanding credit score is more important than ever. Our project simply represents a simple but powerful solution. By using the capabilities of neural network, we have analyzed vast amount of credit score data to uncover the hidden patterns and insights. This enables us to categorize individuals based on their credit score more accurately than ever before. We have two sets of data, test and train, which were in .csv format. The dataset consists of various user related data columns like month, age, credit history, monthly utilization, etc. We collected the data from Kaggle and we had over 100k records for training and 20k records for testing.
We chose random forest classifier as our baseline model. Random forest is well suited for handling both numerical and categorical features commonly found in credit scoring datasets, allowing it to capture complex relationships between various financial attributes and creditworthiness. Moreover, combining multiple decision trees reduces the risk of overfitting compared to individual decision trees, enhancing generalization to unseen data. This was the architecture that we followed. We did some pre-processing on the data set, like we removed redundant data columns. We removed some repetitive and null values. We then split the data into trained data and test data. We fed the trained data to random forest classifier model. Once the model was trained successfully, we tested it out with the test data and created a confusion matrix out of it. These were the results of our baseline model. We achieved over 74% accuracy, and we can see this was the confusion matrix that we got as an output.
So for the main model we use neural network. Neural network for credit score clustering in this case offers several advantages. Firstly, neural networks are highly flexible and capable of capturing complex nonlinear relationships within the data, which are crucial for accurately clustering individuals into categories like good, average, and bad credit scores. This was the architecture that we used for our main model. It basically had a dataset for which we did pre-processing, in which we removed some of the null values column and few of the unnecessary columns, and we processed the data and did the scaling and encoding. We used the one hot encoding for that. Next was we provided the data, encoded data and scaled data to the neural network, and ultimately performed some tuning and optimizing to get the desired output. This was the output and the results for the main model. We can see we achieved 83% accuracy for the with the main model, and the image shows here is a UMAP projection of our model, and it shows mainly three categories and clustering of the data, which were good, bad, and average, as we had already mentioned. And we can see from the table that we got almost 82 to 79% of accuracy.
Apart from increasing the accuracy of our neural network, we have also listed down a feature scope in which once the data is classified into average, bad, or good, we can just target the average and bad customers, feed their parameters to a well-tuned LLM, and generate a list of tips for the customers to improve their creditworthiness. This could be communicated to them via different communication channels like mail, which will help end users to improve their creditworthiness.
That's all from our side. Thank you.